In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a channel name in Slack. This is a handy skill to have if you're rearranging team communications, making channels more relevant, or simply correcting a typo. We'll go through this step by step, and by the end, you'll be a pro at renaming channels in no time. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to Slack. Slack can be accessed via the web app in your browser, or you could use the desktop or mobile apps if you have them installed. It's entirely up to you which platform you prefer. They all provide a similar experience for this task. Once you have Slack open, log in with your credentials. You can use your email, Google, or Apple account to log in, depending on your account setup. Just choose the option that's most convenient for you. Once you've successfully logged in, you need to navigate to the workspace where the channel you want to rename is located. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're selecting the correct one. You can do this by looking at the left-hand sidebar where your workspaces are listed. Simply click on the workspace name and Slack will take you right there. Now that you've entered the chosen workspace, it's time to identify the channel whose name you want to change. In the list of channels, click on the name of the channel. This will open the channel's chat and, more importantly, expose more options for us to work with. With the channel open, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll find an ellipsis icon, often represented as 3 tiny dots. It's your gateway to more settings. Click on that ellipsis, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Edit Channel Settings. This menu item might be a little tricky to find if you're not looking for it, so make sure you're in the right place. After you've clicked Edit Channel Settings, you'll see an option labeled Channel Name at the very top. Next to Channel Name, there will be the word Edit. Go ahead and click on Edit. Doing this will allow you to alter the current name of your channel. Now's your chance to update the channel name to whatever suits your current needs. Be thoughtful and clear about what you choose, as this name will be what everyone in the channel sees and interacts with daily. Once you've settled on the new name, don't forget to click Save Changes to ensure your updates are applied. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your channel name in Slack. If you need to adjust other channels, simply repeat this process. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy chatting on Slack.